Write a blog post using Jasper. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how you can write a blog post using Jasper very easily. So let's get started. Jasper is an AI writing assistant that helps us write high quality content. It unlocks the ultimate writing powers and saves our money and time. So if you were looking to hire a writer to write blogs for you, then you need to rethink and watch this tutorial to learn how you can write a blog very easily within minutes using Jasper. Features. If we talk about the different features we get on Jasper, well, you can create original content that ranks for SEO. So we will be able to generate SEO-friendly blog and article with rich keywords, and it will be 100% original. We can also go ahead and actually write ads for Facebook and Instagram. We also can finish our draft 10x faster using Jasper. We can give commands to Jasper and it writes content for us. We can produce creative writing using Jasper, and then there is no language barrier because we can write in 25 plus languages using Jasper. Jasper also helps us to scale up our content. Using Jasper, we can write blog posts, stories, and even books. So that's what we will be covering today, and I will show you how we can write a blog post using Jasper. Pricing plans. The link for Jasper is given in the description down below. Once you follow the link, you will be driven to the pricing plan and you can get started with any of the given plans. There is a starter plan which starts from $49 per month if you are generating 35,000 words. Then we have a boss mode which is going to be $99 if you're generating 100,000 words. Boss mode actually harnesses the full power of AI writing with the ability to create full-length content with full control and flexibility. You will be able to create content like you do in Google Docs, and you will be able to grow your team with projects. We also get priority chat support with the boss mode, and it's the most popular plan. So if you are a blogger or content creator, then boss mode is right for you. Then we also have a business plan which is going to be custom pricing for custom features. How to write a blog using Jasper. So once you sign up with the link given in the description, this is where you will get. This is our main dashboard and I will be able to create a blog post. I am using the boss mode. You can go ahead and get your boss mode plan right now with the link in the description. And with boss mode, I will be able to actually write a blog really easily with different commands. Let me show you how we do that. So to create a new blog, I have two options. I can go with a template, and in templates, we have more than 50 templates, of course, and I can go ahead and go for blog post topic ideas, blog post outline, and blog post intro paragraph. So what I personally like to do is I actually generate my topic ideas from this option here. We can also avail templates within a document and I will show you how. So simply go to documents here and now I will click on new. To create a new document, I will click on start from scratch. And we are driven right here. Here I will be able to write my own blog. So let me show you around different tools that we have. We have a title right here and I will type my title, description, tone of voice. We can give different tones to Jasper to help it produce content that we were actually looking for. I can add different tone of voices such as witty, serious, informative, formal, and others. Then we can add up to 3 keywords right here. And we can also select the output length from here, small, medium, or large. I am going with medium. Total number of words will be shown here. We have basic tools here such as headers, bold, italic, and we have link, image, and reset styles. We get the option of rephrase, fix grammar, explain it to 5th grader, enable Grammarly, and plagiarism check here. Now let's get started with writing our blog. My topic is going to be how to lose weight in 7 steps. So I have my title here, but if I go to power mode here, then I will be able to access all the templates really easily. Let's select the template blog topic ideas. I will be generating my topic from here and I want to get ideas from Jasper. All I need to do is enter my company name, product description, audience, and tone of voice. So you will fill in your information, company name, product description, audience. So we can actually select a targeted audience, and then we have tone of voice. We can also give some examples to Jasper that what we are looking for. Click on generate AI content, and I have selected 3 outputs from here. So we have our topic suggestions right here: how to lose weight the healthy way, 10 tips, and then how to burn more calories every day, 3 key steps to lose weight. So I gave Jasper this information, and now it has these different topics for me, and I can select the title I like. I think this is actually a really good title, so I'm just gonna copy this one and go back to my document. And now I can paste what I copied right here in the title section with Control V. I can add content description, tone of voice, and keywords here to compose content now. I have added the information here. Now we can click on compose, or we can press Ctrl J on Windows or Command J on Mac to generate content. So we have this right here. Now I can get started with my blog. So now what we can do on Jasper is that we can give commands to our Jasper, and it will do whatever I will type. This is available in the boss mode. Let me show you how we write a command and run it. So I have written a command, write an introduction for the title. This is what I want Jasper to do. I will simply press Ctrl Enter, and Jasper will run this command for me and write an introduction. So my introduction is ready. I can move on to the next segment, which is going to be write 7 steps to lose weight. Ctrl Enter, and Jasper will write this for me again. Now I can add another command, which is write points on the title. Ctrl Enter, and Jasper will write the points for me. There you go. Now we have points. Now I will type explain the above points, and Jasper will run this command and explain the points for me. My next command is going to be write a summary for the topic. We can give Jasper any kind of command, such as generate a conclusion, generate some questions about the topic, or anything you want to write. So I have actually written some points, introduction, summary, and now I want to generate conclusion. I will just press Ctrl Enter, and it will write the conclusion for me in my blog. And now at the end of my blog, I actually want to generate some questions. So I will just write the command generate some questions about the topic, Ctrl Enter, and Jasper will run this command and generate some questions for me. There you go. So we can actually run any kind of commands and generate a very high quality blog. Let's go ahead and organize it a bit. I will just enter the topic. Now, if you want to make it bold, of course, we can use these different tools available above. And then we can also use these tools. Let's say that I want to rephrase something. All I need to do is just select the text and click on rephrase. It will show me a rephrased text, and if I like this one better, I can go ahead and replace it. There you go. Now, if I want to fix grammar, I will just select the text and click on fix grammar, and it will fix the grammar for me. Click on replace text, and there we go. Similarly, we can use explain it to 5th graders. So this option is used when we're writing creative writing or something else. So for now, I'm not gonna use this option. And then of course we have a plagiarism check that will help me check if my content is 100% original, and that it is, because Jasper generated it for me with the help of commands that I gave. So this is actually a pretty good looking blog that I just wrote with using Jasper, and I didn't need any help from anyone. I can also add different links to my different content. Let's go ahead and add a link. So if I want to actually add a link to this text, I will select it and select the option of add link. Now I can add any kind of link, and my links to my other blogs right here, I will add it, and then whenever my readers will click on this text, they will be driven to that blog that explains exercise. So that is how we write blogs using Jasper. Once your blog is done, you can just go ahead and save it. You can see right here the total number of words, and we can also name our document. Once your blog is written, you can go ahead and actually press Control S to save it to your computer. For now, I'm just going to save it on Jasper and then later on save it in my document. So we will just go back and it will be saved with the rest of my documents. Here, I can go ahead and actually export it or rename it, duplicate or delete. All of the different AI content or AI outputs that I just generated can be found here in AI outputs, and if I deleted something accidentally or if I want to check what I generated, I can check them from here. All of my outputs are here. Similarly, I can go to recipes and we can also use a recipe to write a blog, and you can go ahead and check out how to use Jasper recipes. There's another video on the channel. You can go ahead and check it out. So the link for Jasper is given in the description down below. You can go ahead and sign up for Jasper right now and create your blog and write high quality blogs for the blog that you're running online. Jasper will help you save your time and your money. Now you can generate content within minutes. This brings us to the end of the video. The link for Jasper is given in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out right now. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments. Turn on the bell notifications. You will be notified every time we post a brand new video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.